Hello there! On today's video I'm going to show you how to print stickers using Microsoft Word. The first thing you need to do is save your Word document. Now click on the Layout tab on the toolbar. In the Orientation section select Landscape and in the margin select Narrow. In the Design tab select Watermark. You can find the grid paper that I'm using on this video in the description box. Save the grid paper to your computer and select it as a picture. Make sure that the scale is set to auto and the wash out option is unselected. Print this guide paper as we're going to use it in the next steps. The first sticker I'm going to show you how to resize and print is this April sticker. Using the grid paper as a guide, I'm going to find the edge and the crease of the planner marked by the red lines that you see on the screen. From the edge of the planner to the crease, there are 6 big squares. I'm going to place the title in the middle between these 2 big squares. Going back to Microsoft Word, I'm going to drag and drop the sticker sheet into Word. Right-click on the sticker sheet and select the crop option. Using the black dashes, I'm going to select the April word from the sticker sheet. The red line on the screen represents the 2 big squares that I show you on the grid paper. That's how big or wide I want the sticker to look on my planner. Next, I'm going to show you how I resize these weekly log stickers. Using the same technique of finding the edge and the crease of the planner, I want the weekly word to take this whole space. I'm going to count the number of big squares that space needs, and in Word, I'm going to resize my sticker to fit that number of squares. Drag and drop the sticker sheet that you are going to use. Right-click on the sticker sheet, select the crop option and resize the sticker accordingly to the measurements that you took on the planner. Every time I add a new sticker to the Word document, I follow the same steps. First, I use the grid paper on my planner to measure the squares, and then I resize the stickers in the Word document. I like to add text to some of the stickers before printing them. Use the text box option to type a text. Make sure to select the fill and the outline as none, and choose the font and the size that you want for that specific sticker. In the description box, I will link and list all the stickers I'm using on this video. While I was adding stickers to the document, I started to get ideas for the setup I want to create for the month of May. I changed some of the stickers to match the pink and purple theme that I have on my mind. If you notice that the text disappears behind the sticker, right-click on the sticker and select the Send to Back option to bring the text in front of the sticker. If the current page you're working on is full, select the Insert tab in the toolbar, and from the Pages options, choose Blank Page. A new page will appear on top of the current page you are working on. I wanted to do a sticker to be in one line. I'm going to crop the long lines on both stickers and insert a shape to cover the extra line from the Do word. Select the Insert tab from the toolbar and choose a shape. Use the white dots on the shape to resize it and cover the extra line that you see in the word Do. In the toolbar, select White Fill and White Outline to mask the shape with the white paper. Once you're done organizing and resizing all your stickers, make sure to go to the Design tab and remove the watermark to print the document. Here is the printed paper with all the stickers. I'm double checking that everything fits correctly before cutting the paper. Let's start with this sticker. Cut the paper in a rectangle or square shape. Turn the paper over and draw an outline of the sticker. The outline is going to be your guide to have a clean cut on the paper. I put a little bit of glue on my finger to keep the paper in place while I put glue on the back. I glued this sticker wrong. I removed it gently and cropped the excess paper from the butterfly. I put glue on the center first and then glued the fragile ends last. If you see leftover glue on the front of a sticker, use a clean eraser to remove the excess. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Check the description box for more tutorials and pictures of my planner setup.